What are you guys doing?
Hello. We have a little veranda. That's Mr. Snow. Entertainment floor.
Oh my god, that's what you did.
Hi, as you know that we have moved to Goa with our 9 cats, and if you don't know, we drove from Delhi to Goa in two cars, for 5 days, and that's how we reached here with our 9 cats. This is our little house, and I wanted to show. Disclaimer: this is just how we are living right now, and there's a lot of stuff to do still, and let's go. Let's see the house. And this is what our house looks like from the front. Rithvi, a very close friend, she gifted us the board. And that's the white bit is our boundary. And that's how you enter the gate. The resident bull of this area, he's walking here every single day. I see him walk down the lane and now he's coming to me and I'm scared, so I'm gonna close the door and go. So I'm at the main gate. When you enter from here, this is what you see. That's the garage. The sofas are to be thrown out or given back to the landlord. I don't know, whatever they want. And this is our little more of our garden. This is the boundary, and this is the entrance to our house. We have a little veranda. Oh my god. Can you believe that? We have a little veranda. But I've come to the garage. Let me show you the outside first. So this is the garage. And that's where you enter from. And the boundary is not there from here, so it's scary to open the cats. They wander around. We are training them to not go too far from here. And this goes back to the jungle. I'll show you the backyard when we reach there. This is our little veranda where we chill all the time. Every morning and every night we sit here, Rohit and I. Oh my god, Maya's right here. Maya is right here. Maya's just chilling. So it's just Maya who is allowed to be outside, and the rest of the kids are downstairs in the bedroom. Okay, so this is the living room. It's a big ass living room. Yeah, you can see me as well right there. Hello. So yeah, this is the living room. The balcony opens up to our backyard where there are a lot of trees, and I've opened the windows for ventilation right now so the sun can come and the wind can come. The stairs go up to the terrace. Go up. There is no railing here, but I don't know if you would understand, but this view is a social media girlie's dream because I can film so many fit checks here. Oh my god, I love it. Still has to be unpacked. A lot of shoes, clock, bijli ka saman, which is being used in getting the lamps fixed and everything. Coffee machine, TV, I don't know what's in it. Speaker, lamps, all of that. Then cat stuff. Then more stuff. All the laundry that needs to be done. I mean, as much as I don't like it, but that's how we are living right now. And these are the lamp fixtures that we got, but it's not completed. The electrician ghosted us. The contractors here are really annoying. So this is a room. This is not a bedroom. The bed will go downstairs to another bedroom. It's not supposed to be here. It's just carrying a lot of our stuff. My whiteboard, some courier, and some more clothes and paintings and stuff. But this is supposed to be a reading room. This is a bathroom. That's the bathroom. This door opens up to the side of the backyard. Look at the boundary. Look at it. Let me show you how big this leaf is. Okay, that's Mr. Snow, also known as Mr. White. He's the cat of this town. Okay, so this leaf, let me show you the size of this leaf, okay? This is my hand. Okay, moving on. So, this opens up to the backyard. This is a chiku tree. There are a lot of chikus on it, and that behind it is just jungle. So, a lot of langurs come on this tree and eat chikus and go. I don't know, there's some other fruit hanging there as well. Something is there. Coming back into the house. This is the kitchen. And there's no light in the kitchen right now. This is another door that opens up to the backyard. Then this is the kitchen. There is absolutely no storage here, as you can see. So everything is on the shelf. We don't even have a gas cylinder here right now, so the kitchen is absolutely not functional except for my iced lattes. I don't do nothing here basically. So reading room, living room, just stairs that lead to nothing for kids to play, kitchen, and a bar is going to be there, and the veranda. So this is an entertainment sort of a zone, or a zen zone where we can like relax and have fun and just enjoy. And now coming down from the stairs, I'll show you the bedrooms where the kids are. So yeah, so we come down to here. There's a basin. Don't mind this. There's another washroom. Let me try and get in without getting the... Oh my god, that's what you did. They dropped the cooler. That's just what happens when you leave cats. What? What are you guys doing? Huh? What are you guys doing? Huh? Look at what you've done. So yeah. This opens up to the backyard, but I won't open it because the cats will go out. This door opens to the backyard again, but I will not be able to show that to you guys because the cats will run out. Look at these cuties. Just no worries in the world, just sleeping, chilling and sleeping. And look at these cuties. They just want to go out. Chonke? Chonke. Tame. ढोंडे, तूने किया है ना ये? तू ही कूदी थी ना इसके ऊपर? हाँ, पता है मेरे को. So that was and this is the second room. The gate needs to be repaired. This is just a mattress that we want to throw and buy another one. The bed that we saw upstairs is gonna come down here, and with a new mattress, there's an aircon, there are 2 windows that open to the backyard and the side yard. That's another Billu chilling on the wardrobe. That was the house tour. A lot of work still left, and it's gonna take a few months until we settle down completely and have all of my aesthetics in place. But it is what it is right now, and this is where we're living. So I am manifesting the house to look like this. I am not sure when it will be ready completely, but yeah, let's see. I'll see you in the next vlog.